coming up. Hello and welcome back to another video of SFDC Saga. In this video, we are going to create a meme generator app using Lightning Web component. So let me show you a small demo how this works. So I have created a component which generates a random meme using API. So whenever I click on this Get Meme button, it picks up a random meme and displays on the screen. So let's see how we have implemented by going to our Visual Studio Code. I am on my Visual Studio screen, and on the HTML page, I have created a container which contains image and a title, which has two different references, one for meme and one for title. And I have a lightning button, which is aligned center, and it is calling a method called get meme button. So let me go to my JavaScript file. So this is the button. Whenever we click on that button, so this is the method which gets called. So I have created two references. One is for me, one is for title, and this is the API which I am using, meme-api.com. I have shared the GitHub source URL as well, more details about this API. Okay, what I'm trying to do is I'm creating an array of subreddits and then randomly creating a array of subreddits, and I'm passing it to my fetch API. URL contains the API, and along with that I am passing the subreddit. So whenever we click on the button, the fetch API is called and we are getting a JSON response. The JSON response contains URL as well as title, which I am assigning it to my meme as well as my title, which I have created at the top references. Okay, if there is any error, I am logging it. If I go to my CSS, just simple. For my lightning button, I have enabled a few styling hooks. I created a container, and inside the container we have image and the title tab, that is h3. So pretty simple, straightforward. Let me go to the methodology file, and I've just exposed this component to home page. That's about it in this video. If you have learned something new, please do like. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning. Thank you.